Good morning, students. Today I would like to introduce you to pbskids.org. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this while we're not in the classroom. We're going to use this at home. So if we go scroll down, on the left-hand side there are videos. You click on the video button. You can watch videos of word of the day. You can play games. Let's see, scroll down. They have games on the left-hand side here. You can pause, forward, go back. And also on the right-hand side, there's live TV and more options that you can look through. When we go back, go up here to the left and go back. And on the right-hand side, click on that. And here are games that you can play. There's multiple games that you can play. There's Create Kitchen Live, River Run. Let's create on this Creative Kitchen. And this will help you get familiar with tools in the kitchen. Let's see, we'll press play. You can, on the right hand side, you can cancel, you can zoom out, no sound. So let's press this play button, and we're going to make Kuzka. So they tell you all the ingredients of what you need, and then you're going to go through and pick each one that is going to match. So it's more of a matching game and getting familiar with items in the kitchen. On this little bit, on the bottom it says games, videos, and activities that you can go through. And we're going to go back up to the left-hand side and go back. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom. They have new games, summer game, popular games. To the right-hand side over here, they have engineer games, Spanish games, routine games, story games, feelings, families and neighbors, more games that you can explore. And if we go back up, on the left-hand side, this is for your parents. Your parents have access to this as well. And we're going to click on that. And then it says for parents, your parents are able to look through, they can shop, view the lab, look at learning medias. Let's click this for parents. And you're going to click this logo. And it's going to show you many ways that you can use activities. So let's just say you're 7, and you can apply that. You can select a topic. Let's do emotional and self-awareness. And then you can find activities through that. You can also see on the left-hand side here, explore outdoors, listen to podcasts, keep going down. They have many resources for you to look through and help your children learn and grow. So if we go back up to the left-hand side, and go back, and we're going to go back one more time. They also have like daily newsletters where you can read, or have mom and dad help you read. If you have any questions, on the right-hand side there is a help button that you can press. And you can ask any question, or if you see a question that you already want to ask, it's there. And then you can also contact them. There's also a cool little gadget where you can contact, let's click this contact, Angelina. You can contact any one of your friends, like Arthur, Barney, any of these guys. Keep scrolling down, and it gives you their address and their email for most of them. The reason why I chose this activity for you guys is just to help you guys get familiar with things you're going to use in your everyday life, and it's fun and interactive, and you guys are able to play games and explore without feeling overwhelmed. And I just want to thank you for watching my video, and it's in my bio, okay? Bye.